There's a humble white powder sitting quietly in your kitchen cabinet right now. It looks simple, it smells clean. But what if I told you it could be the key to easing some of your biggest health worries? No, it's not a miracle drug. Not some exotic herb from the Amazon jungle. It's something you've known your whole life: baking soda. Yes, that very same baking soda you use to freshen up your fridge or fluff up your biscuits. Turns out this everyday kitchen item can do so much more, especially for seniors. In today's video, we'll explore how baking soda, when used the right way, can help with 7 common health problems that many elderly people deal with every single day. From heartburn to kidney support, joint pain to oral health, we're about to show you some powerful natural tips that could transform your quality of life. So grab a cup of tea, settle in, and let's explore the healing secrets of baking soda. Let's start with a condition that nearly everyone over 60 is familiar with: acid reflux. That burning sensation in your chest after a heavy meal? That uncomfortable bloating? That bitter taste that creeps up your throat at night? It all comes from too much stomach acid. Here's where baking soda steps in. 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda dissolved in a glass of water acts as a natural antacid. It neutralizes the acid in your stomach, providing fast, soothing relief. Unlike some commercial anticides, baking soda works gently and quickly. It doesn't come with a list of scary side effects. But here's a gentle reminder: don't overdo it. Once or twice a day is fine. Always check with your doctor if you're on medications or have kidney concerns. Now, let's talk kidneys. These little bean-shaped organs filter our blood and help regulate many systems in our body. For seniors, especially those with mild kidney issues, baking soda has been studied as a potential aid to slow the progression of kidney disease. Why? Because baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, helps manage acid levels in the blood. When kidneys weaken, acid builds up in the body. Baking soda may help rebalance those levels. Some doctors even prescribe it in measured doses for patients with chronic kidney disease, CKD. But don't start this on your own. Always consult your nephrologist or physician first. Because it's sodium-based, too much can raise blood pressure or cause fluid retention. Used properly, however, it may be a simple addition that gives your kidneys a bit of breathing room. As we age, dry mouth, gum recession, and bad breath can become part of daily life, but you don't have to live with it. Baking soda is a natural deodorizer and mild abrasive, perfect for oral care. Try this. Mix 1 TSP baking soda with a little water to form a paste. Use it to gently brush your teeth once or twice a week, or add a pinch to your toothpaste for a fresh alkaline boost. Swishing with a mild baking soda solution also helps balance the pH in your mouth and kill odor-causing bacteria. Bonus: it whitens teeth naturally over time without harsh chemicals. For seniors with dentures, baking soda can also be a safe cleaning agent. Just soak your dentures in a baking soda solution to keep them fresh and odor-free. Many older adults live with chronic pain, especially in the joints, arthritis, stiffness, swelling. These aches can feel like an unavoidable part of aging, but baking soda might offer a little relief. Some studies suggest that baking soda may reduce inflammation in the body by influencing immune responses. It could potentially calm overactive immune cells that contribute to chronic inflammation. Here's one easy method. Mix a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water and drink it daily for 3 to 5 days per week after your doctor's green light. Some seniors also swear by baking soda soap. Add a few tablespoons to a warm bath and soak for 20 minutes to ease muscle soreness and joint stiffness. It's not a cure, but it's a soothing, inexpensive way to support your body naturally. Urinary tract issues become more common with age, especially for women. If you've ever felt that burning, that frequent urge, or that overall discomfort, you know how disruptive it can be. Baking soda's alkalinity can help reduce the acidity of your urine, potentially easing discomfort during mild UTIs or bladder irritation. Try drinking a glass of water with 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda once a day for a couple of days during early symptoms. This isn't a substitute for antibiotics if an infection is present, but it may bring temporary relief while you wait to see your doctor. Again, always consult your physician, especially if you have blood pressure or sodium-related concerns. Many seniors find that commercial deodorants irritate their skin. thin, sensitive skin, especially in the underarm area, it doesn't always react well to strong chemicals or artificial fragrances. Here's a gentler DIY solution. Mix baking soda with a little water or coconut oil. Pat it gently under your arms. It neutralizes odor without clogging your pores, without aluminum, and without the burn. If you're concerned about body odor, but don't want to load your skin with toxins, this is one natural way to stay fresh all day. Lastly, let's talk about skin irritations, something many older adults experience more frequently. Dry skin, eczema, insect bites, rashes from heat, or friction. Baking soda is a trusted remedy for itch relief. Create a paste with water and apply it to itchy spots. Or pour half a cup into your bath water and soak for 15 to 20 minutes. It calms the skin, eases redness, and soothes that irritating itch. Also helpful after shaving or when dealing with heat rashes during hot weather. Now, a quick word of caution. While baking soda is powerful, it's not harmless if overused. Here are some safety tips, especially for seniors. Limit oral consumption to 1/2 TSP per day, unless your doctor advises otherwise. Don't use daily for long periods without supervision. Be careful with sodium intake, especially if you have high blood pressure or heart issues. Avoid if you have kidney disease without medical advice. For skincare, always do a patch test. First, natural doesn't always mean safe for everyone, especially with age-related conditions or medications in the mix. In life, sometimes the simplest things can bring the biggest change. A walk in fresh air, a glass of water, a kind word, or a spoonful of baking soda. This tiny, inexpensive powder has been a secret in homes for generations. But for seniors, it may be a quiet companion in the journey toward better health and greater comfort. So, take a look at that little orange box in your cupboard. Maybe, just maybe, it's time to look at it differently. If you found this video helpful, please share it with a friend, a parent, or someone you love. Let's pass on this wisdom, one home remedy at a time. And don't forget to subscribe to Wordy Tales for more natural health stories, emotional journeys, and senior living tips. Take care, stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next one.